Sosnovoborsk Machine Building Plant. Sosnovoborsk Machine Building Plant evolved from a legendary metalwork plant of the same name that was founded in the 60s. In 2014, the story of this historical production facility was divided into the past and future. Part of it was bought out to be built anew, saving its legacy, while the rest was bought out by miscellaneous parties. Today, Sosnovoborsk Metalworks is a modern and efficient production facility. Despite a crisis of the Russian economy, during which the majority of industrial production facilities faced either recess or bankruptcy, the SMZ team, on the contrary, achieved stability and expanded their portfolio, thus guaranteeing steady growth and development of the plant for the foreseeable future. All this became possible thanks to the most valuable resource of the company, its highly qualified personnel. Today, the main goals of the Sosnovoborsk machine plant are to win contracts for the company, expand the number of personnel, and guarantee said personnel a stable and sufficient salary. At the same time, the production capability enhancement goes on, the new equipment is being installed, and retrofitting is in progress. SMZ continues the long-standing tradition of its predecessor, focusing on the equipment and hardware for chemical, ironworking, oil, gas, and nuclear industries manufacturing. Production facilities. Production area of the SMZ covers next to 20,000 square meters. It consists of a procurement and preparation sector, assembly and wielding sector, screw conveyor sector, pipe fining sector, paint shop, and refractory lining shop. The SMZ production facility features an extensive machine pool containing about 40 machine tools. They are capable of covering the whole scope of metal processing, which include lathing, milling, drilling, bending, cutting, grinding, pressing, rolling, and forging machines, as well as automatic wielding. Products. Sosnovoborsk Machine Building Plant furnishes equipment and components to metallurgical, chemical, oil and gas, and nuclear industries. The equipment is manufactured following either the customer's technical documentation or the one developed in the in-house design bureau. Some of the most notable products manufactured by SMZ are tube heaters and coils for heating crude oil and oil products, column equipment with structured packing or other mass exchange devices, separation vessels and gas preparation equipment, cryogenic tanks for liquefied gas transportation and storage, gas quality measuring and control units, catalytic conversion units for industrial emissions, marine waste incinerators, ice melting equipment, and much more. Logistics. Strategically favorable location of the SMZ facilitates company logistics. SMZ is easily accessible by all means of transportation. A railroad is nearby, seaport is not far away, and comfortable road links and transportation infrastructure ensure fast and cost-efficient shipment of raw materials and finished products. Moreover, in the nearby Ust-Luga region, the construction of a cargo airport and a new industrial zone has recently begun as part of new logistics. The Estonian border is only 100 kilometers away, which opens the possibility of easy transportation of goods to European Union countries. The SMZ acquired an extensive truck pool including camions and special transportation machinery for oversized cargo. More than 20 units of lifting equipment, including 4 traveling cranes with load capacity up to 10 tons and a wide range of loading machinery, allows SMZ personnel to carry out the loading and unloading operation. Quality Control Department and Non-Destructive Testing Lab. We ensure the quality of the final product at each stage of production. The professional team of the SMZ Quality Control Department carries out verification of supplies and operational and final product quality control. Verification of incoming raw material and off-the-shelf parts rule out poor quality or pirated components at the very beginning of the production chain, thus ensuring that the quality of the final product matches Russian Federation or European Union quality standard criteria. In-house, a non-destructive testing laboratory carries out industrial equipment inspection and together with other departments inspects hazardous industrial objects, buildings, and structures. The laboratory has its own equipment, including mobile pulse X-ray devices, X-ray fluorescence spectrometers, ultrasonic equipment, and special visual control and magnetic powder control devices. Works on non-destructive testing are carried out by competent experts certified in accordance with the rules of Gosgortechnadzor in the field of non-destructive testing. Refractory lining sector. In-house refractory lining workshop is set up at SMZ. The factory includes a crushing and grinding unit, comminution unit, concrete mixing machine, molding area, raw material and finished product storage. All these facilities are equipped with modern machinery, including grinders of different types, drying chambers, calciners, vibrosieves, concrete guns, and much more. A dedicated refractory testing lab renders the selection and development of custom-tailored refractory lining to each specific industrial process possible. Areas of activity: manufacturing of refractory products and intricately shaped refractory elements, manufacturing of non-formed refractory lining and concrete gun mixtures, services for lining furnaces of different kinds, furnaces and kilns retrofitting. More than 100 projects have been completed by the company. Among its clients, one finds such industrial giants as Gazprom, Lukoil, Novatek, Slavneft, Yantar Shipyard, Industrial and Trade Ministry of the Russian Federation, and many others. Certification. The production facilities within SMZ are certified according to Russian and international codes. Also, the enterprise is licensed for production supply to the FSB and the Rosatom. In 2018, it confirmed its compliance with strict standards of American Society of Mechanical Engineers, thus obtaining the right to design and manufacture pressure vessels marked U and U2. Each and every piece of equipment leaving the manufacturing facility is complete with a full package of certificates and permits. Also, the SMZ welding capabilities were certified by NACS, that is, National Agency of NDT and Welding. Sosnovoborsk Machine Building Plant is a vibrant, modern industrial facility on the upward curve of success, which constantly increases its production. Its multi-purpose and powerful equipment pool, strict quality control standards, and highly qualified personnel ensures top quality production and custom design of equipment to any level of complexity.